How to make your voice sound like a studio mic. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will use CapCut app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So we will simply open CapCut. Once you open CapCut, we will simply click on new project. So once we click here you guys will import a pic, blank pic, or also you guys can import a voice that are in video. So I will simply import a blank pic. Now here I will simply click on audio. Here you guys can see extract sounds record. So in extract option you guys can extract any audio from any video, and in sound option when you click here you guys will see file manager option. So simply click on that. Here you guys can select recordings from your device. Also when you click on record, here you guys can record your voice live. So I will simply import my voice and I will tell you how you guys can remove background noise or make it perfect like studio mic. So let's import our voice. So I imported my voice recording. So before improving it, let's play it. So you guys will see how was result after. So let's play it. Hello, the background noise was a lot, but don't worry, I will remove that using CapCut and it will be look like professional. Now for improving, I will simply click on that voice. Here you guys will see on downside, play it volume, but we will simply scroll. Here you guys will see audio effects, reduce noise, enhance voice. So first step will be click on reduce noise and we will turn on reduce noise. So let's turn on it. Hello, the background noise was. Now we will click on enhance voice. So let's click on enhance voice. Here you guys will see enhance voice option. So turn on it. Also you guys will see noise cleanup. So select it on 100. So let's do that. Hello, the background noise was a lot. Hello, the background. Now we will wait for some seconds. Once enhancement applied, I will play the voice. So you guys will see how big difference was. Hello, the background. Here we go. Our enhancement and reduce noise was applied. So let's play our voice. You guys listen before, now listen that time. So let's play it. Hello, the background noise was a lot, but don't worry, I will remove that using CapCut and it will be look like professional. So that's how you guys can improve your voice quality and it will be look like professional quality. Thanks for watching.